Hello again, YouTube. It's another video in our garden series. This one is on melons. If you like melons, which what guy doesn't, but if you like the fruit melons, then you're going to like this video. We have several different types of melons growing in our garden. This particular batch here, we had some that were already grown in there. We've got them growing in here. We got some babies growing in here. Some more adult ones in there. Hopefully you can see those. It's hard to tell on the camera. This particular patch is just growing, and we let them pretty much do what they want once they start growing. This is a different melon over here. This is another one of the Asian melons. It's this yellow melon here, and this one here. You can see that's pretty good size. It's about the size of a softball. There's some growing outside the fence there. There's another baby one growing outside here. And this plant is actually started way over here, and it's just growing along the fence and getting whole bunches of babies and adult ones growing along here. And they grow and grow and grow, and they will grow several in one spot. It's not like some watermelons and stuff. So we've got like two here in one spot. We've got another one outside the fence, and we got one inside the fence, and then we got one on the ground right here. They just grow and grow and grow. Then if we continue on over here, 2 rows over, we've got some additional Asian melons. And then, yes, we've got cantaloupes that are getting to be ripe. That's a pretty good size, like a kid's basketball size right now. And over here, there's a baby one. It's a little green, it's getting there though. And then some more Asian melons. We probably have 15 or 20 just on this bush alone. And if we continue on down over here, more melons. Yes, more melons. And this is another variety of Asian melon than the ones you saw before. And there's several in here, several over here, several growing there. And they just take off and do whatever they want. We do have a couple of other oddball looking melon starters in there as well. Let's see, what else do we have? And that's just in the main part of our garden. If we go out to our melon patch out here, as you can see, this is really growing a lot. We have several different melons growing out here, including watermelons, cantaloupes, Asian melons, and I know it's hard to see now, but there is melons in here. I'll try and sneak up on some for you. If you go in here, this is one of my babies I've been watching. This is one of my watermelons, got my eye on. And there's another watermelon right here. And another wonderful sized watermelon right in there. And these are standard, you know, I guess American watermelons or regular watermelons, whatever you want to call them. Here's some more melons here. Now we have our melons growing out here along with some of our squashes as well. So not to be confused with the two, but we do have honeydew melons as well as Asian melons, and they could be growing like these two right next to each other, the plants, and they are different. And then if you go over here, then you're going to start getting into some of the additional melons and some squashes that are blending together. But this is the mess that we have for all of our vining melon patch here, and we purposely let this whole area go to grow melons rather than putting them in the lines like we did in the main part of the garden. I like this part a little more organized. My wife put a few plants in there, but I had to kind of trim them up to keep them in order. But this area here, we just let them grow wild, and they seem to be really happy. And we're going to get, hopefully we're going to be able to get all 7 different varieties of melons out of here. So hope you enjoy. Talk to you later.